Hey, this is Devin Rose of Lionheart Catholic. I want to share with you today what is in Lionheart Catholic membership program. So I just launched it 1 month ago, and that was in November 2019. And already we have almost 100 members. We also are at where every member who joins is a founding member. So the founding members are the ones who are setting the direction for the whole program. So I want to share with you what it is we're doing in Lionheart Catholic. Share my screen. All right, so here at lionheartcatholic.com, you'll see what our mission is. Lionheart Catholics renew the church. And a lot of people right now are very discouraged about the crisis or crises going on in the church, from the second sexual abuse scandal unfolding that shows that things were not really taken care of back 15, 20 years ago when it first broke, to all the things that different bishops are doing, etc. So this is where we come in as Lionheart Catholics. We, by becoming saints ourselves, by really doing some wonderful things that I'll share with you in a second within our parishes and communities, we're renewing the church. So I kind of talk about it here. Right now, this will probably change pretty soon. It's only $10 per month to become a Lionheart Catholic. And that number is going to go up as we go along here, but right now it's that. So once you join Lionheart Catholic, you'll see that you have this whole library, and I'm constantly adding new stuff to this. We got the Lionheart Catholic community, so that's a forum where got different topics that we post on, and then we can discuss with each other in a private forum things about the secret recipe of the saints, which is what I share in my book, Lionheart Catholic. That one there. This goes along with the program. But then also just current events, what's going on with that, what people are doing. So you got that community there. We also have a number of courses, starting with Become a Saint Through Mental Prayer. And this is the first course that I have every Lionheart Catholic go through because, as I've shared in other videos, every saint became a saint through mental prayer. It's the second level of prayer where you sit quietly with God and meditate on some truths of the Catholic faith. So here I've got the basic steps. It takes 20, 30 minutes to go through this course, and I have some book recommendations with it. All right, so next we've got, in this case, I actually have the audiobook and ebook for Lionheart Catholic, so that shows up here too if you've purchased that. Now we have Lionheart Live. So Lionheart Live is where I'm doing a weekly live video conference with all Lionheart Catholic members. And we discuss all sorts of things that are going on in the church, in the world, what we're dealing with. My wife, Catherine, who's a co-founder of Lionheart Catholic, shares topics on motherhood, femininity, beauty, modesty, fashion, child rearing. And I'm talking about all kinds of stuff about what's happening in the church, what we can do about it, as well as how to start your own business, how to get free from sin, how to, things even like cryptocurrency and gold and silver and investing, not financial advice, but just educational. So this Lionheart Live videos, every member can join, and then I post the archives here so people can watch them if they miss them. All right, so then we have a course. This is a flagship course. It's a video course I made on conquering or overcoming lust for a Catholic man. And here we have each one of these is a great video that helps you to arm yourself with the truths of the Catholic faith so that you can conquer this. Another course that I just added, this is all within the first month, is how to start a small group. So my wife and I have a small couples group with 5 other couples. We meet with monthly on a potluck basis, and we have grown in our faith together and become extremely close. So here we have, this is a video that I did, and we even have a member saying, this was the whole reason I joined Lionheart Catholic, how to start a small group, because we want to do this. So this is another benefit of the membership. I will be adding in the next month a flagship course on leading your Protestant friends and family into the Catholic Church that has 2 ebooks that accompany it. And all this is included in your Lionheart Catholic membership. So this is a, a response that I believe that I was called to do because I wondered, what can I do in the face of these scandals and crises in the church and what I see out in the world? And Lionheart Catholic was what I came up with it. So I hope that you'll consider joining. And if you want to learn more too, for just the cost of shipping, I will ship this book out at cost to you, Lionheart Catholic, How to Become a Saint in These Dark Times. And yeah, that's what we're doing here, and I'm excited about it. And we got a solid group who's launched it, and we want you to join. So if this is what you're about, to renew the church by becoming a saint, hope that you'll join us. God bless.